love making more of your slime ideas, so let's get into it. This first slime idea is from Bella, and it's a Kuromi themed slime. I love Kuromi, so let's go get our base. Kuromi's colors are black and pink, and we're gonna do a nice little twist effect because that's what Bella wants us to do. Fun fact, when I was little, I had a Hello Kitty themed bedroom for like a solid, for like a solid 5 years, and I was so obsessed. But now, I'm more of a Kuromi fan. Honestly, kind of hard to get a solid black color with slime, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. This is a nice shade of like a dark gray. I wanna be Kuromi for Halloween this year. I need to get a Kuromi costume. I don't know where you would get one, but I might just make one. We got some nice colors here, and now let's take a little trip to Charmville because I have a good idea of what I wanna add to this slime. It's time to go to Charmville. We love Charmville. Charmville needs a jingle. I'm gonna work on it. So for this Kuromi slime, you know, her colors are like pink and black. So I'm gonna add some little pink glitter hearts. They kind of look white on camera, but you know, they're pink. For the hearts, we're gonna go with these bright pink hearts. Super Kuromi. And then we're gonna add some of these large black hearts. It's time to go assemble our slime. Back from Charmville, and I also forgot to show you guys, Bella gave me a Lego. It's so cute, it's literally me, but apparently everybody here in the warehouse is telling me that this is not a Lego, that this is an action block. What even is an action block? I don't know. To me, it's a Lego, and I really appreciate this, so thank you, Bella. She's gonna sit right here and watch me make my slime. For this slime, we're doing a twist. I have something to admit. I honestly am not good at twists. I always mess them up. So today, I'm gonna try a new technique. I'm going to smush it, just like that. We need to turn this slime into a worm. Let's think like a worm. What would worms do? They would just spin. All right, let's spin our slime. It's a calm worm. It's actually looking pretty good. Probably the best swirl I have ever made. Bloop. Wait, that actually looks pretty good. I'm proud of myself. Okay, let's add on our little sprinkle mix. We have some little hearts, all kinds too. And now to top this off, I have a special little guest, Kuromi. I like her tail and her little choker. She's really cute. There you go, Bella. This is a beautiful Kuromi slime. Let's move on to the next slime, which is a cow-themed slime. So this next idea is from Gemma. Oh, look at that, guys. Y'all need to subscribe. Shout out to Gemma. So Gemma wants us to make a moo berry boba slime, inspired by her love of cows and boba. For this, we're gonna need 2 different shades of blue, some bobas, and it looks like it's a jelly cube. So let's go get our base. All right, so I have my 2 textures here. It's gonna be half cloud and half jelly cube, and 2 different shades of blue. So let's dye our slimes. For the jelly cube, I actually found these really cute jelly cube hearts. I've never seen these before. We've never made a heart-shaped jelly cube slime here at Peachybbies. So Gemma, yours is the first. Okay, we have a nice ocean blue color. I'm gonna add a ton of jelly cubes. Might as well add the whole thing, why not? I'm gonna set this aside, and top part of our slime, it's gonna be a light shade of blue. Also, Gemma, thank you for the nice little note. I love reading y'all's fan mail. It always has the sweetest messages, and it always brightens up my day. Okay, we have our nice bases here. Now, let's go back to Charmville and get some bobas. I've ran into a little problem here. We have 3 sets of bobas. Big bobas, normal bobas, and mini bobas. I don't know which bobas to go for, but if I was Gemma and I want it to be a boba and cow slime, I think I would go for the big bobas. Why not? All right, we have our nice little bobas, and now let's get a cow charm. Fun fact, we have about 5 different cow charms. We have so many. We got options. We can do a regular cow. We could also do a cow face if we want to get a little crazy with it. Okay, check this one out. There's a giant cow face. I think I'm just gonna add all 3. Okay, so for this jelly cube, we're gonna add the bobas because that's how it looks in the drawing. So let's add a couple of those. Also, I'm gonna add some of these cute little heart sprinkles. It'll definitely brighten up the slime a little bit. Let's mix them in there. For the top, we have our cloud dough. So I wanna do like a nice little drizzle effect. There we go, that looks really fluffy. Honestly, I could not decide between all of the cow charms, so I'm just gonna add all of them. We have our giant cow face right here and his 2 little friends. This is the cow trio. And let's finish it off with some more sprinkles. That looks beautiful. I hope you like it, Gemma. This is a lovely cow boba slime inspired by your love for cows and bobas. I hope you like your slime. Let's move on to the next one. This next slime is from Lydia, and she wants me to make an axolotl slime. I cannot make an axolotl slime without the one and only Michael!
Hola, amiguitos! Vamos a hacer un slime.
Why are you doing that?
Wait, what?
Why are you doing this voice?
What do you mean? You do that all the time. You're always doing his voice like that.
No, I don't.
What?
Michael has his own voice.
You're not doing this voice the whole time?
No.
Okay, well, have fun with your video and Michael.
Wait! Erin! Do you want to make the slime with me?
Really?
Yeah. Do you want to be part of the Slimers Guild?
Are you serious right now?
Of course.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I do.
You're gonna help me make this axolotl slime.
Oh my gosh.
It's an axolotl crystal
Ooh.
themed slime from Lydia. It's gonna be half pink clear and half blue snow fizz. So let's get our stuff.
All right.
Start making some slime.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
This is Erin's first time making a custom slime. How do you feel, Erin?
I feel crazy. No, I feel good. I feel really excited. This is the most excited I may have ever been in my entire life, except for the day that we met Michael.
For this snow fizz, it's gonna be blue, and the top is gonna be pink. Now that you're part of the Slime Guild, you have these new talents.
The Guild of
You can
Slime
make
Girls.
special custom slimes for everyone in the world, even from Pennsylvania.
You know about Pennsylvania?
Yeah, dude.
I heard it's one of the smallest countries that's ever been existed.
And it's been alive and running for.
What are we talking about? Sometimes when Anna and I sit down, we'll start talking about something and then it'll be an hour later and we're not sure how we got there. So bear with us. But now we have colored slime.
This looks beautiful. I like this shade of pink with this shade of blue. I'm also thinking we should make a jingle for Charmville.
Oh,
It's about time.
you've been very musical today.
Time to get our base. All right, so we have to go to Charmville.
When you got a slime and you don't know what to do, go to Charmville and grab a thing or two. Charmville, baby, baby, Charmville. If you Charmville,
What is it?
you need charms and you know that you will. Head on down to old Charmville. It needs some work, but let's go.
I wish I knew the lyrics. I was just trying to catch up, but it was just pure gibberish.
What are we here for?
Okay, so we're here for some crystals and some axolotls because it's an axolotl crystal themed slime. What if we had some crystals, yeah?
Yeah, that makes sense. Holy goodness, that was cool. Can I try?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
I hurt myself.
Here's what I'm thinking. What if we add little diamonds to kind of represent the crystal vibe? Do you like that?
Yeah.
Let's do some of the diamonds and also some of these hearts because I feel like they match the axolotl.
Yeah, that's cute.
Okay, let's do that.
We need to find our axolotls, right?
I know where they are. We're gonna go
So
for
we have
a blue
axolotl. I'm gonna save the guy who I just dropped.
Hello! Come out of there!
Where have you gone? Oh no, he's free. He's down under there. He's free now. It's like when a hamster gets free in PetSmart and then just goes and lives his life.
Every hamster that I've gotten from PetSmart has gotten lost.
Where did you leave them? Time to assemble. Can I do the honors of putting in the
do
blue?
the honors. That's looking pretty good.
Wow. Are
Okay.
you guys proud of me?
I'm super proud of you,
That's
Erin.
gorgeous.
You should honestly be part of the Slime Guild more often.
Yeah, it feels right. I feel like this is what the people want.
For the charms, we chose a nice little pink heart. Super gorgeous.
Here are our diamonds that we picked out.
And our friend, we should give him a name.
Frankie.
I was gonna say Tootie.
Oh, Tootie! His
right.
name is Tootie Frank.
Tootie Frank,
And
I
we
like
can-
Tootie Frank.
We can call him Frank if we want to. Tootie when we're friends.
All right, Lydia, here is your very own crystal axolotl slime, but we have to find out if it's Michael approved.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Michael, what do you think? What do you think of this axolotl crystal slime? What? What are you doing?
Anyways, how many more slimes do we have to fix?
One more. This next idea is from Evie and it's Snuggly Koala.
And it is so crazy because one of our newest slimes is called Koala Cuddles. How similar is that?
It's
That's
perfect.
crazy. And we just opened this and this slime is in the shop right now
You can get this slime with
at
this-
peachybbies.com and Friday Eastern Standard Time at 7 p.m.
So get yourself a little koala slime.
Especially you, Evie, because this is almost the exact idea that you sent us.
Also, Evie, thank you for your gifts. What is it? Ooh, she gave us a Peachybbies ornament.
That is so detailed.
This is beautiful.
And we all got one. I'm assuming.
Thank you.
You are so talented. I can't believe you made that.
It's so detailed.
Incredible.
Thank you so much. All right, so this slime, it looks like it's 3 different bases.
It's a float slime. There's a cloud on top and clear on the bottom.
Okay.
Very knowledgeable intelligence that you have, Evie.
So the bottom is gonna be orange. It also looks like it's most of the slime, so I'm gonna add a lot of the clear. We have a very thin line of green. Make your really thin
I
line.
get it. My slime making capabilities are really coming out right now.
Oh yeah. Okay. We got our orange.
You guys ready for this?
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Aaron, you're a pro.
Okay, I think we have all of our colors fully incorporated.
You're helping me today. I want to give you the honors of assembling this slime. So go ahead.
Okay, perfect proportion. Thin line of green.
Thin line.
It wasn't enough.
That looks good. That looks good.
It's a little more. No, it's too much.
No. Perfect.
Oh, my muscles are cramping up. Okay, okay.
Very nice.
What do we think?
That looks beautiful, but it looks a little boneless, don't you think?
Here we are again in Charmville.
It's time for a backflip.
Oh! That was really amazing.
Hey you over there.
Hey, come here.
We're in Charmville, which means we're gonna make a koala themed sprinkle mix.
Wait.
I don't know what just happened. We're gonna keep going. So why don't we add some light green hearts? I feel
Yeah,
like
because
that.
the little stripe in there.
The little stripe in there. There are some really nice purple glitters that I just found today. Check this out.
Ooh.
It's gorgeous. Oh, that's a lot.
Oh, that's okay. We need a lot. Just putting some back.
This is what we have right now.
That looks like just purple. Oh, I see them. Okay, yeah, that looks
They're
good.
popping out a little bit. Now, what do you think? What could spice this up a little bit?
Definitely the koala charm. There's our koala.
He's
Look how
even
cute he
winking.
is.
Oh my gosh.
Adorable. It's so pretty.
Why don't we add some of these?
I love these big tropical leaves.
This is cute.
That looks so cute together. Oh my god.
Like that? All right, let's start off by adding some of these nice little diamond sprinkles.
That looks so cute. I love that.
And then we're gonna add the leaves.
3, 2, 1. Nice.
Cute. And our koala.
This is so cute.
That is a beautiful slime. I love like the leaves right there. It's like his throne.
That is amazing how you guys can come up with the best slime ideas. Thank you guys so much for sending them in.
Evie, I hope you like your slime. Comment down below which one is your favorite slime from this video. And also like this video if you want to see Aaron in another custom slimes video. Bye guys.